Is the AI boom about to burst? Lately, there's been a lot of anxiety swirling around the sustainability of the whole thing. It started heating up after OpenAI's CFO mentioned the idea of a government backstop for building out AI infrastructure. Then, the stock market got shaky, and a lot of the big tech names took a hit. Despite all this nervousness, the announcements just keep coming. Just this week, Anthropic dropped a bombshell, saying they plan to spend a staggering $50 billion on data center development in the US alone. $50 billion. That's a massive bet. So, the big question is, are we in a bubble? Our guest today, Paul Kedrosky, a veteran venture capitalist from SK Ventures, says yes, absolutely. And he thinks it's not just any bubble. According to Paul, the AI bubble is like every single major bubble from history all rolled into one. It's got a real estate component. With all the data centers being built, it's obviously got a huge tech component. And now, we're seeing these really exotic, complex financing structures being put together to fund it all. Think about that for a second. It's like the dot-com boom, the housing crisis, and more, all happening at once. And if that wasn't wild enough, now there's even talk of government bailouts and backstops. It seems like the stakes for winning the AI race are so high, they're being treated as almost existential. This is driving an investment binge that might be completely unsustainable. In this episode, we're going to dive deep with Paul. We'll walk through the actual math. What kind of returns would be needed to justify this colossal level of spending? We'll explore why the fear of falling behind is causing everyone from startups to governments to throw money at AI in a way that is starting to look pretty reckless. We'll break down the different layers of this everything bubble. How does the demand for physical space for data centers mirror past real estate manias? How do the complex financial instruments being used to fund these projects compare to what we saw before the 2008 financial crisis? Paul argues that the combination of these factors creates a unique and potentially more dangerous situation than any single bubble we've seen before. We'll also discuss the psychological aspect. Is this a rational response to a transformative technology? Or is it a classic case of collective FOMO, fear of missing out on a massive scale? We'll examine the parallels and the differences between the current AI frenzy and previous tech revolutions like the internet. So, is this a rational, once-in-a-generation investment opportunity? Or are we witnessing the inflation of a bubble so big that when it pops, the fallout could be massive? Join us as we explore whether the AI dream is about to become a financial nightmare. You won't want to miss this conversation. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our deep dive with Paul Kedrosky. And if you have thoughts on the AI bubble, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching.